could I leave the way I did?
Architecture has always been a passion of mine. And creating spaces, I think, that make the hairs on people's necks stand up. And then being able to create something that lasts many, many generations for them. My name is Andrew McClure, and I'm the architect for our Desert Temple project at the Madison Club here in beautiful La Quinta, California.
Baby, I was faithless.
Madison Club is a private community situated on a golf course here in Coachella Valley, and it is just a lush oasis here in the middle of the desert. I think Desert Temple is really a simple concept, but in essence, what we're trying to do is design this project in reverence to the landscape and the surrounding nature. The Desert Temple just is something that showcases that and respects that and celebrates that.
My name is Mark McClure, and I'm the founder and owner and president of McClure Homes Design Build. The family business really is just Andrew and I. We're the two McClures in the thing. And as Andrew will tell you, I'm very involved. And it's not because I have to, it's because I want to. I love the business. At the beginning, I was doing it myself, and then Andrew came on and he took it on, and then we worked together. But at this point, Andrew's doing most of the heavy lifting there. My focus now is really trying to get organized with the people I need to execute, the designs that we come up with.
We knew that this lot in particular is one of the most unique lots in here. It's a flagpole lot. And we knew once standing on that lot that we wanted to create a beautiful sense of arrival that felt like something was found. So we were able to shape the driveway all the way to this lot, snaking through the palm trees and the Palo Verde trees, with designing the entry directly under one of the mountain peaks. I think that was a critical framed view that we wanted to capture, so that it feels like you're really being transported from the street to the site. So upon entering through the front door, you're now living under the canopy of the primary floating roof. And this is where we have the largest, most expansive views. From there, you're able to flow seamlessly through the travertine walls into the kitchen. We have the bar and the wine room also in that space, and everything all has its connection to the exterior. To the right of the living, we walk down a gorgeous cavernous hallway, which signifies the entry to the primary suite. As you move through the courtyard, we've arranged 2 guest suites to be on either side of the landscaping. And all of these rooms open up both to the courtyard and to the side yards. The colors are very representative of a calming desert palette. We have beautiful sandy travertine walls. We have silver metal accents all over the roof lines. We have oak, honey-colored, beautiful bleached wood. And another material that we also used were the aluminum battens by Sculptform.
Andrew found that product, and it's unbelievable. It's the perfect product for this really tough environment you have here, especially in the summertime. You can put it in vertically, you can put it in horizontally, you cut it all on site, you know what I mean, instead of having to have it all cut for you, so you can get it tight to the exact dimensions that you need. And you can see that we can wrap it from in to out, and we'll continue to use more and more of it because we were so happy with the way this turned out.
I think working with Sculptform now on several projects has been quite eye-opening. They just really dedicate themselves to innovation. And with every iteration, there's something that we can use for every site-specific project. So with this house, I think that the goal was to create a palette for the house that really allowed for it to recede into the landscape as opposed to becoming an architectural object. So that's something that we focus on, is really integrating all of the landscape through as many spaces as we possibly can so that it becomes a seamless connection. The pool is something that's truly unique here as it falls off the edge of the terrain down to the lake below.
Well, we know we've done a great job when, the client walks through the finished home for the first time, and to not have any dip in emotion. In fact, what we want is the emotion level to continue to go up as you go through the house. The entire business of how we think, what we do, is all driven by the emotion. Our emotion as well as the client's emotion.
I think my favorite part of the project is walking through the center axis of the main living space. And really from that point, you can see all the lines fanning out into the landscape dissolving away in front of you.